you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water, You feel defeated, falling on your knees and looking up for some hope tonight. You try to stand up, but you throw your hands up like you no longer have the strength to fight. 'Cause you've seen too many sunsets, too many days ending in the darkest night. But on your own you'll never know, you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water, the water. Highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water.
Pag naging the best ka, magiging kang importante. Once na naging importante ka, magiging kang valuable. Ang money is pumupunta siya to anything and to anyone na may value. Kasi money is energy. So magiging ka ng asset. And asset is equal to money. And money begets money. Now you become money itself.
Yeah, make right all the things you've done, 'cause on your own you'll never know, you'll never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the water, believe you can move the highest mountains.
Yung hindi ko na-expect for the training program, the way that it was delivered, kasi hindi lang siya sales. First, dinevelop ka as a person. May mga principles that I really truly appreciated na na-explain sa amin, which I found quite spiritual. That's why I really loved it. So it wasn't just the run-of-the-mill sell without heart, which is very surprising and refreshing. It's very inspirational. You basically want to take action. Apart from inspiring you with what you can do with earning, it inspired you to have a greater vision and a mission. I had a paradigm shift. It changed me. It's transformative. So it was very effective.
You can do anything if you believe. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk.
Part na ng buhay ko na masakit ang ulo ko, nasanay na ako. Konting pressure, sumasagot, pumipitik sa ulo ko. Pero after 3 days kong gumamit nito, ang ginhawa, sobrang napawaw talaga ako.
Yung beingness, inner quality yan. Basta mayroon kang beingness, wala kang pwedeng hindi ma-acquire na skills.
Pero ang pinaka-touching sa akin, sobrang nag-resonate, is yung shinare ni Suzette about David Schmidt's mission and passion. Ang tindi pala ng compassion niya sa Philippines. And not only that, I'm aware sa mga projects niya, primarily, ang purpose is to really help and elevate the level of life of humanity.
You can do.
Philippines need people like you. Ang dami nating matutulungan. Alam nyo, tuwan-tuwa ako pag nakakakita ako ng members, Ma'am, hindi na kita makilala. Paganda ka ng paganda. Every time that happens, I am so amazed. Be the light. You have to understand, you cannot not be the light because you are light. Yun ang essence ng being natin. What is only missing now is the awareness of this. If you become aware na you are light, ang tanging magiging concern mo na lang is how bright you are shining. Are you shining brightly or are you dim? Are you spreading darkness or are you spreading lightness? That's why be proud na brand partner po kayo ng LifeWave. It's because nare-remind po natin ang mga tao of who they truly are.
If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across.
Like we say, birds of the same feather flock together. If you are light, you want to be around light people. If you want to meet those types of people, definitely this is the place to go.